Okay, let t equal the amount Thomas earned. So we're comparing t, the variable t, to the endpoint, and it said he earned $49 or more. So the number that we're going to be using is 49. Okay. Could he have earned exactly 49? Yeah. So it could be or equals. Or more. So t, the amount he earned, could be more than 49. It could also be equal to 49 because he earned $49 or more than that. So t, the amount he earned, is greater than or equal to 49. Okay, let n equal a number. So what are we comparing? We are comparing n with which number? 45 they're giving us. So we're going to compare it with 45. Okay, that number exceeds or goes higher than 45. So n is bigger. Can it be 45? Well, no, it doesn't exceed or go bigger than 45 if it's exactly 45. So it can only be bigger than. Exceeding something means go bigger than. Okay? So n, that number, exceeds 45 or goes greater than 45. It's all numbers greater than 45.